Okay, what we have here is it says on the back it's a Cuckoo clock company movement, but I'm sure it's a Hermlie. And it takes a 34 centimeter pendulum, about the length of the pendulum that's on it right now. Now all I'm selling is the movement. You do not get the pendulum. And the pendulum is, I think, is a proper length of 34 centimeters, measuring from the top to the bottom. Okay, now let me pull in here a little bit, and I'll turn this. The hand goes into warning. There's strike. So that's a quarter after. Let's go a little further. That's going to be on the half hour. And turn it again. This would be the 3/4 hour. And we'll go to the hour. There's the hour. Now it's going to strike the hour. There it goes. So as you can see, the movement does work. Now I've not cleaned it or oiled it or anything, and it's been in my shop for a while. But I decided to go ahead, I'm not going to use it, so the suspension will come with it, but the pendulum will not. And like I said on the back, it says a Cuckoo Clock Manufacturing Company. I don't know what it was in, but anyway, it's a pretty nice movement, and as you can hear, I don't know if you can hear or not, you can see it does run, and it does strike right. So that's about all I have. Happy bidding.